2007 E70, and we have problem with our rear wiper, and basically it's missing, completely missing. So to not damage anything, we're gonna need 13mm socket, we need our wrench, WD-40, and a little towel. I will start doing it like hour before you want to remove that knot here, cause it rusted out. Mine is not as bad. Till the end it was sitting under the cover. Simply the threads and the body of the wiper, which is, I have a wiper here, the particular one from the Auto Yado, whatever. Get it on the Amazon, and it's roughly like $25–30. It comes with everything you need, wiper itself and the whole construction. So this is pretty a known problem for those cars to just having the issues like that. Don't do it at home like that. The particular unit have copper insert inside, and mine, I don't know what type of material was it, but it was corroded so bad it started getting cracks all over the place, and then plastic just popped out, and I lost it. So with no further ado, let's get the beauty rolling. Okay, wrap the towel around the bolt and start spraying the WD-40. I did it like yesterday. I sprayed a little bit of WD-40 on it. Doing it today again, because if you're gonna put a little bit too much tension, you have chance to shatter the rear window, which is you don't want to do it. Depends how tough it is, and I see the threads are exposed really nicely, so I'm not going to be using the pliers. But in terms of like locking the whole bolt, the motor, you have to get a pliers and like clamp at the bottom and then start working with the top. I'm gonna be using my hand, so this is why I wrap it like all around. And that was super easy to remove the knot, since I probably was adding the WD-40 for 2 days in a row, and it worked out for me just perfectly nice. If you can see it at the middle, we have a little spot for a popping that beauty on. It's got a little groove in there, and obviously it going only one way. As you can see, the bottom portion have a type of movement. So in terms of just putting it on, make sure it just sit it correctly. There are little grooves on the nut, and basically they're gonna lock the wiper on it, and you simply need to slide and tighten it up. So make sure it's seated correctly, something like that, this way. Put the nut on. You can spray a little bit WD-40 in there. You're gonna make a little bit of mess, but it's not gonna be like the big of a deal. In terms, it's gonna be sliding much better. Like the whole construction gonna be sliding on much better, and I don't know, overall it's probably gonna be okay. So little by little, you just tighten it up. It's sitting really high because the knot was much lower, deeper, like put it on, but I think this is will do. This is not the OEM, this is not the factory wiper, so there you have it. And that's how simple it was to install the wiper on a rear window, which is kind of everybody can do it, but make sure to be really extremely cautious and accurate about like taking it off the knot and putting it back on, because you can make a little bit of problems down the road. Anyway guys, if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.